Hey, what's up, everyone? There's that fridge I'm doing. You can see the way I masked off everything underneath, along the backside with aluminum foil. Just makes it a way better, tighter masking job. There it is. I'm gonna go ahead and start shooting some sealer on it, then some base, and make sure I get all in the jamb first, then the outside. I'm gonna shoot it with like a black charcoal first, and then go over it with black, and then we'll start laying down the patterns for the Harley logos and stuff. And just to let you know, it's all gonna be hand painted. It's not gonna be decals or nothing. So it's gonna be a real unique piece, job wise. Alright, everybody, there's the refrigerator again. Got the last coat of black base on it. That's basically the black we're going to use. I'm waiting for it to dry up real nice. That way I can go ahead and start laying down my it's like a clear plastic that you can draw and write on, lay out flames with and stuff. So I'm going to end up using that stuff, in sections, then draw my patterns out or whatever, cut them out. It's going to take a little bit of time, but in the end, it's going to come out real sharp. I don't have no camera person here to hold the camera while I do it, so I'll probably just take little videos here, step by step of on how it's going. Hey, what's up, everybody? There's that refrigerator I done. It's an old 50 styles refrigerator. I didn't get a chance to take videos of all the step by step like I wanted to, but this is the finished product. If you get on my Facebook page, you can see all the photos I took of of all the steps it took to get this like this, and you get a better idea of exactly what it took to get it all squirted like this. But came out real sharp. Still got to demask the inside, the bottom, and the door handle, and then the hinges have some chrome rings like in between, there that I masked up real tight. I got to take those off too, but tomorrow's another day. Just want to show you guys the way it came out. It's all sprayed on. I think it's badass. Well, hope you guys liked it.